What's going on, everybody? It's me, Eric B, and I hope you guys are staying safe from all this coronavirus crap that's going on right now. And I know it sucks for some of you that are out of work due to all this, but hopefully it all blows over soon so everyone can get back to work, start making that money again. I just wanted to see, what are you guys doing out there right now during all this madness? You know, you guys still able to get out there and ride and everything? I know a lot of the states, particularly Florida and California and Washington and stuff like that, are on a little bit higher lockdown than some of the other states. Are you guys still able to get out there and ride and everything like that? I know with this quarantine thing, you know, being cooped up in the house for extended periods of time, you know, kind of drive a person crazy. So those of you with two wheels can kind of get out there and be free for a little bit, you know. And that's the best thing about motorcycles, man. They're therapeutic. Kind of relieve the boredom of being in the house all day, you know. Get out there and get some fresh air and ride the bike. You're still practicing social distancing, obviously, being on a motorcycle. And then just be careful whenever you stop anywhere, you know. I keep a bottle of hand sanitizer on me. And yeah, I have gloves on if I'm touching a gas pump or anything like that. I still wipe my gloves off when I get home with disinfecting wipes. Stuff like that. You just gotta be careful, man. You never know. So I'm in North Carolina, as most of you already know, and our governor just put out a statewide order of, you know, being quarantined or locked down. So they're recommending everyone stay in their houses now, which we were already doing, but now it's more of a required thing. And now most of the businesses are closing down. Only essential businesses are staying open. So, you know, your grocery stores, medical stuff, obviously emergency, and let's see, what else? I think transportation things are still open. You know, I mean, obviously the airports, bus stations, stuff like that are still running. But everything else is closing down. So, and gas stations, stuff like that. But everything else, man, that's not essential is shutting down for the time being, at least for the next 2 weeks to 30 days. And what sucks is all the barbershops are closed, so I can't go get an edge up or anything. So I don't want to be walking around with an afro, so I gotta cut my hair myself, which isn't the greatest. It's just a little buzz cut until these barbershops open back up. I know some of y'all are experiencing some of the same things. Know some of the females, you know, might be on the struggle bus because some of these salons ain't open. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, man, I just say, if you can, get out there and ride. Be careful and everything, but it's awesome because the situation's not awesome, but it's awesome because there's like literally no traffic. Like where I'm at, there is a ton of traffic out on the road. And this morning when I went out on a ride, I was like, wow, like I can literally get out here and just ride. It's awesome for motorcycles because the traffic's pretty bad in the morning and the afternoon with everyone going to and getting off work. Like right now, nobody on the road hardly, and it's awesome. And this is crazy too, because in my neighborhood, this is the most I've seen anybody home. You know, everybody's getting that, getting all that yard work done, getting any kind of home improvements squared away. Perfect time to do it. I see a lot of families out, you know, walking around the neighborhood and stuff like that. And just a lot more time to catch up on things, you know. I'm sure all the pets are probably like, man, if y'all don't go back to work. Yeah, but it's been crazy too, man. Like, just people are panicking for, I mean, I can understand initially, you know, just because, you know, we got to be stuck in the house and people think all the food and all the supplies are just going to be gone and everything, you know, because you're going to need them for an extended period of time. But holy moly, man. Like, stop buying up all the toilet paper. Like, y'all act like y'all going to the bathroom like 80 times a day. Like, how much toilet paper do you need? Stop hoarding it. other people need some too. Just get what you need and leave some, especially the, you know, the elderly people, man. They get there and all the stuff is gone. 2020 so far, man, it's been a crazy year. Can we just unplug it, plug it back in again? Also, that's the other thing. How is this COVID stuff affecting most of the motovloggers and stuff out there? And some of your businesses, if you do other things, you know, other than YouTube and stuff like that. I know for most of my videos that I do, I know you guys know I do a lot of the first rides and stuff like that. I kind of got a backup for all that. So I've filmed a lot of videos prior to all this stuff. So I have, you know, I would say about 6 weeks worth of videos, because I post once a week. So yeah, guys, you'll continue to see new content coming from me. No worries there. Like I said, I just hope all this stuff blows over soon, man. We're living in some crazy times right now. I think everybody just needs to stay hopeful, keep your heads up, and we'll get through it. But yeah, guys, leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, how you're dealing with all this. Are you still able to get on the 2 wheels and have a little bit of fun and everything, or what the deal is? But like always, guys, if you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.